We looked at the salt option, and what we were told by any number of pool contractors was, it does not work well in large commercial applications. That it's well suited to small pools, but when you get lots and lots of different people in the pool with lots and lots of different lotions and all sorts of things, it begins to foul the equipment and creates more imbalances than would be appropriate. So, yes, we did look at it. Yes?
What's the date by which you have to start construction in order to be done by the end of the year?
What is the date by when we have to start construction in order to be finished by the end of the year? Where is my construction wizard?
June 15th.
June 15th.
And we're scheduled for June 1. I just got the new schedule an hour ago.
June 15th, and we're scheduled for June 1.
6.5 months, more or less, is what it will take.
Yes?
As a follow-up question to the last one, what happens if the permitting that you're expecting at a given time doesn't come in for 60 days after your expected time? What is the plan B?
What happens if the permits don't get approved on the schedule that we've established to begin construction by the 1st of June? Then we push them back by whatever amount of time is required, and we will then talk to the contractor about doubling up his work shifts, and he's got a little bit of flexibility, not huge amounts, but we've already talked to him about that possibility and said, we want you to be able to accelerate your construction schedule by putting more folks on.
Has there ever been a plan B that if things didn't work as expected, that the project would start 1 year hence and be close to the next year?
Yeah, the question is, if things get delayed by the county, would we consider putting off the entire project for as much as a year in order to get a seamless process going? We've talked about that a little bit, but we didn't want to go down that path. What we're trying to do is push everybody to make sure that this gets done. It's hard to push the county. That's the only indeterminate thing we've got on our hands. So while we've talked about it, there are a lot of complexities associated with collecting people's money and then sitting on it for a year. The county process would require us to get permits. We'd have to go back through the submission process all over again. So we're just continuing to push ahead with the expectation we'll get done by the end of the year. Write that down, because I'll be the guy you're looking at. January 10th.